Hey dudes, Matt V 2099 here, and what I have today are 410 custom shot shells with chopsticks in them. So let me try, let's see if we can use them here. And we also, so that's pretty cool. So we also have some Japanese candy and Japanese soda here. So I'm going to demonstrate how useful these chopsticks are by eating one of these candies, and then we're going to shoot this soda as well as some other things and demonstrate how awesome these targets are, get some slow-mo, all that stuff. And we're operating, I'm going to do a few videos with the old 410, the Arsenal SGL 41 Saiga 410 shotgun. What are these? These are, I gotta say thank you to Ben, who's over in Japan, and sent me a little box of Japanese food that will appear, some of that stuff will appear in several videos. You can check out my Instagram if you want to see pictures, or Facebook. So what is this? This is pure glucose. So that's like, I mean, that's what rice is, right? It's kind of like a candy, kind of like a ricey candy treat. Look at this guy. Oh, look at that. They're individually wrapped. Some awesome writing. So it's like a true Japanese samurai warrior. Let's see if we can eat one chopstick style. I'm pretty much a ninja at using chopsticks. So I got one, so let's see if we can film myself eating that thing. So I'm using 410 chopstick shot shells and some Japanese candy that Ben sent me. Let's try it. Very interesting. It's sweet and yummy, but not like traditional American candy. Kind of like a cube of sugar, but not quite as sweet. Here's one more. Our chopsticks work, and thanks to Ben. Thank you, dude. So the first thing you're going to wonder is how in the heck do you chamber one of these silly rounds? Well, I don't know. Does it go in like this? No. Impossible. Impossible. So we have to hand load one of these at a time. Yeah, it works. It's back together. Oh no, I'm not. So what's really interesting and of note? Well, let's check the chamber. Look at this. It's in there. So what's really interesting is these chopsticks weigh exactly the same, within 1/10 of an ounce, as the amount of shot and material I pulled out of the shot shell. So I basically just sliced off the end, poured the shot out, put like a drop of glue in there, and then shoved the chopstick down. And the weight is almost identical to a unmodified shell. Like this chopstick is 1/2 ounce, and the shot I removed is 1/2 ounce. Let's get to shooting. Alright, so we have one of these loaded, chambered. We're gonna see if we can hit what we're aiming at. See if we can even hit what we're aiming at here. Okay, so I'm not able to recover the chopstick. Maybe later when I shoot 5 or 6 I'll find one of them at the end of the op. But here we go, I was aiming dead center there. So I'm using a really flimsy ass door. But you can see the chopstick just tumbled right through there. The first one went slightly low and left, so we're much closer to these targets. I'm going to try to hit that ballistics gel first, but I might end up hitting a 2-liter or a tactical head instead. But the ballistics gel, that's the most interesting target I have. So let's see, let's get it. Oh, that was cool. I'm not entirely certain what happened. It looks like the chopstick hit the ballistics gel, created a wound, I don't know, up to an inch, 1.5, 2 inches deep. The tactical head went flying. I have no idea where the damn chopstick went, but so I'm gonna say these chopsticks make pretty scary projectiles. They're kind of, you don't know what's gonna happen or where they're gonna go. Just hope I don't think they might ricochet back here, but let's hit our bullet trap. That was funny. Yeah, it ricocheted right back at us. Looks like only the primer went off. The gunpowder didn't go off on this one. Let's smoke those pots with the 2 liters in them. See what happens. What in the heck? So I really want to see if these things have enough force to take out those 2 liters. So I'll do a little Kentucky windage and hopefully I can hit those things. They're just not going where I'm aiming. There we go. So these chopsticks are hollow and they might actually be deforming as they're accelerating. There might be too much force on them and they're getting all deformed and weird, and they get out of the barrel and they just start flying like crazy, and then as soon as they hit something they just bend into like a twisty, gumby, windy mess. Let's try to hit that ballistics gel. Oh yeah, we hit the ballistics gel. That was good. Oh yeah, we hit. So the chopstick looks like it entered here, and then you can see a path and an exit right here. So holy crap, man, that thing could pierce you and go right through you. It's pretty wicked. That went through 6 inches of ballistics gel, a chopstick did. Alright, so in conclusion here, this is what we started with. Pretty sick looking round. And we ended up, I was able to recover, I shot 6 and recovered half of them. This one may have been the one that penetrated 6 inches of ballistics gel. One of them hit just right and went all the way through. These things got messed up. They are hollow. Oh, looks like there's an end cap there. With my cameras, I can't tell if they're just getting totally deformed in the barrel as they're shooting, and then just spinning out of control crazy, or what's going on. That's a messed up round. That's really no practical purpose, but it's just fun to do. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Matt B out.
Thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, I would love to hear what you have to say in the form of a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video and tell me what other types of videos you would like to see. And if you want to drop a like or a dislike, that's also huge and I would appreciate it. Thank you, and Matt B out.